Hi everyone, in this video we will go over how to save your Excel 365 file and how to enable the correct macros. I will show you two different ways to do this. First off, you should have received an email with a link to this page. We are going to download the first file that says Excel 365 template file. Go ahead and right click, hit save link as. This step is very important. It's asking us where we will save it to. So for me, my location is going to be the desktop. Just please remember wherever you save it to, whether that be your desktop, your documents, or your downloads folder, just so you know where to refer back to it and how to access it. So go ahead and hit save. I am going to go to my desktop. I see the file up over here, so let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to double click. It is very important you open this through the desktop app. So that's what's at the bottom over here, right? The Microsoft Excel application. You cannot open it on the web browser. We get a message saying this workbook contains macros. Do you want to disable macros before opening the file? We do not want to disable them. We want to enable them. So we'll hit enable macros. And you can close the security warning. And now you're inside the workbook and you can perform the exercises. Now, every time you open that workbook, you're going to have to hit enable macros from that message that pops up. I'm going to show you another way where you can just turn them on all the time and just jump right into your workbook. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Same steps as before. You'll have it saved. I have it on my desktop. I'm going to open the file. In this case, we have to hit enable macros once. But now we can go to Excel at the top. We can go to preferences. Then we will go to security. And we want to choose the third option under macro security. So it's going to be enable all macros. Once that option is selected, go ahead and close this box. You can close security warning and you're good to go. So now every time you save this and open the document again, there you go. It opens right up for you. It is very important to remember when you save this before submitting it, you have to save it as an XLSM file. To ensure that you're saving it that way, you can go to File, Save As, and then right here, File Format, Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, XLSM.